What's up, guys? Andrew with 911 South here. So today we are doing a drive, a mountain run, so to speak. This is number 2 of kind of a group we set up. So, you know, a little while ago, we kind of just were thinking, me and a couple buddies of mine here in town, Porsche guys, were thinking there's not a lot of kind of shorter commitment drives that, you know, just kind of are for the sake of getting the car out of the garage, driving it, you know, less of that static display and more of that drive experience. Here in Atlanta, there's, you know, certainly things to do in terms of autocross, DE, what have you, but, you know, those things tend to be like a day or 2-day commitment. And for a lot of us, you know, especially I think in that, call it 25 to 40 type demographic, you know, maybe families, maybe kids, certainly probably jobs that are somewhat demanding, you know, that's hard to get a hall pass, so to speak, for a whole day or even 2 days. Not that it's not doable, but, you know, the thought was just, let's do some more events that are casual. You know, hey, we're going to meet here, we're going to drive for an hour, hour and a half. We're going to check out the school brewery or the school restaurant or whatever, and then boom, home by 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon back in Atlanta. So that's one of those today. Should have a good crew. Really excited about a couple folks that are joining us for the first time. The 993 is still in the shop, unfortunately, so that's kind of a bummer. But you know, wrapping up a few key projects and some work that I need to get done before DRT to kind of wrap the build and have that ready to go to Miami in 2 weeks. So can't wait for that. So I'll be riding along with my buddy Matt in his beautiful 86 Guards Red 911. So that won't be too bad. It will also give me an opportunity to take the camera along, take you guys along, and get a lot of footage, hopefully of the drive, give you a sense of, you know, kind of what it's about in case you decide you want to join us on the next one. So stay tuned, and let's go to the mountains.
Boxer? Apparently not anymore.
Normally aspirated 400 horsepower boxer.
Nice.
Yeah, he brought Ray Shaffer with him too, which is cool. So
yeah, Ray said he was coming. I was like, sweet.
Yeah, you brought a white 964 turbo, no big deal.